Hello, it's time for NaNoWriMo, and I wanted to go over a template that I've been looking at and one that I updated so that it can work for NaNoWriMo 2020. So this is Notion, and I was going to do a July one book July 2020, but I had switched over to a lot of digital. I'm still using my Hobonichi cousin, but I do think that this is really going to be helpful, so I figured it'd be worthwhile to make a short video. This is going to show you this template that I got from, it says lisaxread, that I found on Reddit, and it is really detailed. So it's actually probably going to be a little bit more than what I'm going to use for NaNoWriMo because I'm working on a project that I've already been writing since 2018's NaNoWriMo. And I am going to show you just a little bit just so you can see if you're interested. It has a lot of information. If you're new to Notion, you can download a template and then put that into your own workspace. And I have a bunch of different workspaces at this point. And you'll see that there are different links for the different acts if you want to try to put that together, which I think is just amazing. But it is a little bit too detailed for what I need right now. So I'm going to slowly build out a kind of world building Notion site, and I will probably put some posts up if people are interested. I'm also going to link, you can see here that there was the original link in Reddit. And then Groovy Winks puts together some great Notion templates. And so this is the one that I adapted for this year, and it has every day of NaNoWriMo, and it has what I put in as a day of the week because I thought that'd be really useful for people who are trying to figure out how to fit in their writing. You can know that maybe on the weekends you're going to try to aim for a higher total word count. It has the day of the week, it has the word count. So say tomorrow, oof, I don't know if I can do it, but let's say I can put in a good 1,800 words. You put in what you're going to do, and then it lets you know that you've, at least you can see that you were over the target by 133 words, and then this is how many you have to write for the end of the challenge of 50,000 words, and then the remaining daily count that you might need. So I think that this is really interesting, and you can just embed this into either a favorited page, and in Notion the way it works is that you can have favorites. You can click up here once you've uploaded it. This will be the area that you'll be able to see that you can make it as a template. I have shared this, well, not the whole page, but this individual page to the web so that you can create a template. The other stuff on top is someone else's template. I just wish you much luck on this journey to 50,000 words, and I hope this template is useful for you.